Hotel.
Yeah, you get the medicine.
Sweaty, super sweaty.
Yeah, sweaty.
Real sweaty.
Getting ready to do our otaku thing tomorrow.
Yeah.
Why you keep walking?
You know what I'm saying?
There's stuff going everywhere.
Yeah. Not again.
Yeah.
It's gonna be real legit. Real legit.
It's gonna be this big? But
More than a little bit? A lot of it?
no, we're pumped.
But anyways, this is the second hotel that we've
We've been to.
been
Snake
to.
Boy, Boys and the Girlfriends got.
Thanks.
No,
And it's gonna be
but we're in
their
Radisson.
room.
We are in Radisson.
It's gonna be their room because we went to the first one.
We'll sleep when we're dead.
And actually, their hotel looks better.
See, now I need to do one that just goes to Facebook like that.
Just like. Say hi, Gabby. How did you do this? What's it say? Hey,
What's up, baby? AutoCon 11, let's go.
Oi. Oi.
You can start going like this.
I'm not taking a picture.
I know.
It's a movie.
I know, it's worse. It's worse, in my opinion.
So, we all look good. We all are tired right now. I drove, you was speeding. She was speeding! Speeding!
I wanted to be here at 3.
That was my... In all honesty, it was Jill's fault. I would've... What? Everybody knows it.
Everybody knows what.
The reason why we took so long to get here.
Oh,
Hey, don't be pointing that thing at me, man.
I just came here for the game room. I came here for the game room.
your car.
That's
all I know.
him and Nate,
Your
game
car.
room. Yeah, it was in my car, but we were waiting for
Him.
Whoa, somebody lost their phone
Who
on the
decided to
phone.
pack today? Who decided to pack today? It's their fault.
Huh?
Who decided to pack today?
Ah.
Hey,
This guy.
what was this guy doing?
No, I packed in the
I'm
morning.
gonna go get changed.
I'm straight.
Go to the airport when we're already gone.
Hi.
Well, you make everything look all awkward. You're getting